Hey guys, it's Charlie, and I have another challenge for you guys. Can you figure out which country I'm in by just this clue? Comment below, what is your guess? What country am I in? And before you leave this video, please help me support my friend Cory May. He's another vlogger in South Korea, and he entered a video contest, and the link to that video will be here in the video where you can click on it or go into the description box and click on the link. I want to really support him. The votes go by views and by likes, so please help me view the video and like the video. He works really hard on making great videos, and I think he should be supported, so please help me support him. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.